We know that there's no electronic device that's gonna last forever, but what if you could extend the life of your surge protector indefinitely? Now imagine being able to repair it instead of constantly buying new ones. So if your surge protector has stopped working after a power surge, or if the indicator light no longer glows, here's how you can bring it back to life. Firstly, it's most likely that the Metal Oxide Varistor, the MOV, has been damaged. So you'll need a few tools to confirm and fix this problem. You're going to need a screwdriver to open the surge protector and check if the MOV is actually blown. You're going to notice ratings and source the correct replacement part. Additionally, you're going to need a soldering iron and soldering wire. So once you have the new part, you'll need to desolder the old damaged one and carefully solder in the new one. And if done correctly, your surge protector should be fully functional once again. So if you're a DIYer who find pleasure in doing repairs yourself, you find that level of gratification doing repairs yourself, then this is how you could repair your blown surge protector. As always, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content.